Just hit record. This here is a fuse box. It fits the SINOTRUK HOWO series. So basically, this is a fuse box for the SINOTRUK HOWO series. The OEM number is WG9716580021. I'm not sure whether it will be visible at this point. My camera light is off, but I hope that the camera itself can provide a bit of lighting for. No, the light isn't off actually. Let me increase the light. It just went dark. So there, as you can see at the bottom here, there's an original CNHTC sticker at the bottom together with the OEM number WG9716580021 stroke 3. That's the full complete part number together with the ID for the fuse box. So I'll talk a bit about fuse boxes. I'm not a competent electrician, but I'm a part specialist. So I'll talk a bit about fuse boxes in general so that I can cover it both as a truck part and as a vehicle part and as an automobile part. An automobile part. So fuse boxes they act also as voltage regulators. As you can see, there's fuses here. All these fuses have different voltage ratings. This helps protect the circuitry of the fuse box and the truck. The voltage the voltage ratings here, they control how voltage is passed across the electrical components of the vehicle. The fuses here, as you can see, let me zoom in. The fuses here are rated 5, 5, 15, 15, 10, 10, 10, 15, 15, 25, 10, 10, 20, 10, 15, 5, 5, 20, with the rest at the bottom and this one's on the side. So those fuses act as a regulatory mechanism to prevent blowout or say kuchomeka of other components in the vehicle. That's basically what they do. Aside from the fuses, you can see the holes here. There's 1, 2, 3, these holes here and here. These are where the relays, the truck relays are placed. So they are pressed down. The truck relays are pressed down on those slots there. If you're a SINOTRUK, you have a SINOTRUK, you know how the arrangement of the relays are. Relays also have different voltage ratings, current ratings. I don't know whether to call them voltage rating or current ratings. There's a 30 amperes, there's a 20 amperes relays, there's a 10 amperes relays, 15 amperes relays. So each and every relay has a function in the truck. You can put a 30 amperes relay in a 15 amperes relay slot, but when the amperes voltage exceeds that, let's say a 15 slot, you've put a 30 amperes relay, so it won't be regulating the voltage past 15. So any current past 30 amperes will just pass through the relay and blow it, and blow the component probably that is connected to that specific slot. So they all have functions in general. This is just to show you the earthing. You can see the earth slot here. There's a 15 voltage rating here and the 30 rating here. So here, these are the main, they're called what? The main input current slots. These three. That's why they have the earthing. So the earthing will probably be taken back to the body, or if there's an earth slot in the truck, that's where the point of earthing will go to. Aside from that, the fuse box, some of the fuse box, this is the newer fuse boxes, they usually have the slots for the wiper intermittent relay switches, or the flasher units. So you might find there's a slot for the flasher unit directly at the main fuse box. You might find there's a slot for the wiper intermittent relay direct from the fuse box. You might find a slot for the heater plug relays direct from the fuse box. The wiper control relays direct from the fuse box. So that's why there's many slots on the on this fuse box, electrical junction fuse box. Yeah, sometimes it's called the electrical junction box. That's just a professional way of calling it. There are different fuse boxes in SINOTRUK. It's not only one. There's another one also. Some have secondary fuse boxes. Some have only one. So depending on all the electrical components of the truck. This is a genuine part. It's available at SINOTRUK. We duly shipped it in around a month, so they arrived recently. You're welcome to view and buy and purchase it. They're not many in quantity actually, just since it's not a component that easily spoils in a vehicle. The fuse box doesn't, the electrical junction box doesn't easily spoil unless the vehicle had burnt down or had serious issues with electrical systems. That's when maybe you'll need to purchase the fuse box. Aside from that, you also need good electricians. That's why these days electrical engineers, let's call them electrical mechanics and engineers, usually have a lot of says in the ecosystems. You might find that kulipa mechanic wa electrical itakuwa he's a bit pricier than the manual mechanics. I'm not sure, but that's how I feel, because they deal with speciality. And most of them they're rare somehow. I'm not sure, but towards myself as a part seller, you find few electrical mechanics than the manual and other mechanics. So feel free to call us, purchase us. We'll be posting it on Gigi, on YouTube, on TikTok. If you need any other details about it, you're welcome to preview. You're welcome to call. Also, we do deliveries, but we do deliveries after purchase. There's no payment or deliveries with spare parts trucks. Truck spare parts. If you need, you can send your guy to the shop for easier trust. Send someone to the shop to see it, confirm it, purchase it for yourself, like an intermediary. If you trust us, we can send you the part as it is. So that's basically what we can offer. You can show the back side. These are the mounting holes. There's the mounting slots there. Not too much going on the back side. So available at SINOTRUK. Thank you. Visit our page, GG, YouTube, at SINOTRUK.